Running out of iCloud storage and getting those annoying storage full pop-ups? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to upgrade your iCloud storage on iPhone or iPad in under a minute. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. At the very top, tap on your Apple ID name. Next, tap iCloud. Here, you'll see how much storage you're currently using. It's almost full for me. You should see Manage Storage or Change Storage Plan. If you don't already have a paid plan, you may see Upgrade to iCloud Plus instead. Tap that. But for me, I'm going to tap Almost Full. Your iCloud storage is almost full. Upgrade to 200 gigabytes for £2.99 a month. I can tap that, or tap across again, tap it here to change storage plan. As you can see, it's roughly the same. Tap again. Now I can tap down. There is a 200 gigabyte option. There's a 2 terabyte option, and there's a 6 terabyte option. The 200 gigabyte one is $2.99. The 2 terabyte one is $8.99. And 6 terabyte is £27 per month. This, of course, is in UK pounds and not in dollars. You can also tap Not Now if you decided not to go with it. Tap this again. I've decided to go for the 200 gigabytes per month. $2.99 per month seems fine with me. It's selected, and I'm just going to tap Upgrade Plan. Once you've picked a plan, confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. That's it. Your iCloud storage upgrades instantly, and you'll be billed monthly through your Apple ID. If this helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more quick Apple and iPhone tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.